So I had a comment in the comment section about somebody looking for some information on some parts here. And the subscriber was at David Process West. So this is for you because either YouTube does not allow any kind of pictures in the comment section, or I'm just not tech savvy enough to figure out how to make that happen. So I decided, since I don't already have a midweek video set for this week, I'll just do a response to that as my midweek video. So he says he was late to the repair party, but he realizes he's missing the forged shield under the manifold and heat riser shroud that I referenced on a 78B I was working on in an earlier video. Now, my guess is this is the piece he's actually talking about, because this is the heat riser, and the heat shield under the carburetor is readily available. It's right in the Moss catalog, but this is not. When he says he can't seem to locate a part, a description, or the drawing, and he's in California, so he's, as he says, stuck with retaining the lousy manifold. So this is what it looks like. If you already have this piece here, it would not be hard at all to make this piece, even if you're not that savvy doing metalwork, because there is a notch here to make this go together, and that going together keeps that from vibrating and rattling and making all kinds of noise. So you can literally take your dimensions off of this, take this dimension here, and that's close enough to this because it's just slightly off. And then you could look across here, this dimension, and come up with the basic shape here, and know your angle here and the length from here to there. And from here to the whole center line would be the center of that slot. The biggest thing about it would be working out the exact spots. These bends aren't exactly in line with each other. There's a slight variance there. And just working out the shape of this so that it slides up in here and goes in there properly. But it could easily be made with a little bit of time and effort with some very basic hand tools. You know, just some 18 gauge steel, and you can make that. So that's just a response to hope I help you, helping him and maybe somebody else out, keeping their cars alive and working the way they want them to work.